Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 2. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here in sum number 2, find the sum of the series. Here 81 minus 27 plus 9 minus again minus 1 by 27. Okay, so in that case here a equal to 81. Okay, then here a n or the last term, that one equal to here minus 1 by 27. Here r equal to minus 27 divided by 81, that equal to minus 1 by 3. So as here L equal to minus 1 by 27, you know the formula of L, that one equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Okay, so here that one equal to minus 1 by 27. Now Sn equal to here a into 1 minus r to the power n, then 1 minus r when r less than 1. When r greater than 1, then it will be r to the power n minus 1, and in denominator r minus 1. So here you can write down a minus a r to the power n. Okay, and here 1 minus here r. Now you can also write down this one as a minus a r to the power n minus 1 into r. Okay, because r to the power n minus 1 into r, it becomes again a r to the power n, and here 1 minus r. So now you can just put down the value here. A means 81 minus, then a r to the power n minus 1, that one will be here minus 1 by 27. So it will be here 1 by 27. Then r means here minus 1 by 3, then divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, so here your final answer, it's 1640 by 27. Okay, 1640 by 27, that is your answer. Now next, sum number 3. The nth term of an GP is 128 and the sum of its n terms is 255. Okay, if its common ratio equal to 2, find the first term. So here nth term, that means a n equal to 128, r equal to here 2, sn equal to here 255. Okay, so that means here a n equal to a r to the power n minus 1, and Sn equal to, you know that, a into r to the power n minus 1 r minus 1, as here r greater than 1. So here 255. Okay, then here a r to the power n minus 1 into r, then minus a, that one equal to, sorry, divided by r minus 1. So here a r to the power n minus 1, that one equal to here 128, r equal to 2, so into 2 minus here a. Okay, then divided by here r2 minus 1, that is 1. So that one equal to here 256 minus a by 1, it's 255. So from that a equal to here 1. Now next one, sum number 4. If the sum of the first 6 terms of an GP is equal to 9 times the sum of the first 3 terms, then find the common ratio of GP. Okay, so that means here H6 equal to 9 into H3 according to the problem. So H6 means here A, then r to the power 6 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Here 9 into A, r to the power 3 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, so r minus 1 cancel out, A cancel out. So here r to the power 6 minus 1, here r cube minus 1 into 9. So next one here, r cube whole square minus 1 square, that one equal to here r cube minus 1 into 9. So it will be here r cube plus 1 and r cube minus 1, that one equal to here r cube minus 1 into 9. So r cube minus 1, sorry, that one, cancel out. So r cube plus 1 equal to now 9. Then here r cube equal to 8. So that imply r equal to here 2 as your answer. Next one, sum number 5. So here in sum number 5, a GP consists of an even number, okay, of terms. If the sum of all the terms is 3 times the sum of the odd terms, then find its common ratio. Okay, so here let A be the first term and R be the common ratio of the GP. So that means here A plus AR plus AR square plus dot 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 2 in terms. Okay, as here even term, that's why written here 2n. And the next one will be 3 into here AR square AR to the power 4 dot 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 here in terms. Okay, so here the first one, okay, AP consists of an even number of terms if the sum of all the terms is 3 times the sum of the odd terms. Then find the common ratio. So here since it's given that, so you can write down here A, then here it's 1 minus r to the power 2n divided by here 1 minus r. That one equal to 3 into A, then 1 minus r to the power 2n divided by here 1 minus r square. Clear? So here 1 minus r to the power n will be cancel out, A cancel out. So here also 1 minus r will be cancelled out with this one, it becomes 1 plus r. So that imply you can write down 1 plus r equal to 3. So r equal to here again 2 as your answer. Now next sum number 6. In sum number 6 1, the first one, how many terms of the sequence 3 3 then 3 square then 3 cube then dot 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 are needed to give the sum 120. Okay, you have to find out how many terms. So here Sn equal to A into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Sn equal to 120, A equal to here 3, r to the power, that means 3 to the power n minus 1, here 3 minus 1. So 120 into here 2 by 3, that one equal to here 3 to the power n minus 1. 3 cancel out is 40, so it becomes 80. So 80 plus 1, that one equal to 3 to the power n. Okay, so 81 equal to 3 to the power n. That means here 3 to the power 4 equal to 3 to the power n. So n equal to here 4. Next one, number 2. In number 2, how many terms of the sequence here 1, 4, 16 must be taken to have their sum equal to 341? Okay, as same as the previous one, I hope you can solve it, and here your answer will be n equal to 5. Now next, sum number 7. How many terms of the series here 2 by 9 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus dot 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 will make the sum 55 by here 55 by 72? Okay, so in that case here Sn equal to again same formula, A into 1 minus r to the power n, as here r less than 1, so 1 minus r. So write down here 55 by 72, that one equal to here 2 by 9 as A, then here 1 minus minus 3 by 2 whole to the power n as the value of r, so it will be here 1 plus 3 by 2. So 2 by 9, and it will be here 5 by 2, so here write down 2 by 5, and that one will be here 1 minus here minus 3 by 2 whole to the power n. Okay, so here 55 by 72, so write down here 9 cancel out with this one, it's 8. So here 55 by 8 into here 5 by 4, that one equal to 1 minus minus 3 by 2 whole to the power n. So just multiply it and then solve it, then you will get here minus 243 by 32. that one equal to minus 3 by 2 whole to the power n. So as here minus 243, so it will be here minus 3 by 2 whole to the power 5. Here also minus 3 by 2 whole to the power n. So n equal to here 5 as your answer. Now next one, sum number 8. So here sum number 8 1. The first term of a GP is 2. So here a equal to 2 and the sum of infinity is 6. Find the common ratio. So here ace infinity equal to 6. So you know the formula ace infinity, that one equal to a by 1 minus r. So 6 into here 2 by 1 minus r, and from this equation you can easily find out the value of r, that is 2 by 3. Next, number 2. If the second term of the GP is 2, okay, and the sum of infinity is 8, find the first term. So here a2 equal to 2, ace infinity equal to 8. Okay, so that means here ar equal to 2. Ar is the second term, so from that one r equal to 2 by a. Okay, as here ace infinity equal to a by 1 minus r, ace infinity here 8, a equal to here a, and r equal to here 2 by a. So from this equation you can write down here a square by a minus 2, that one equal to 8, and then just make the quadratic equation, and here you will find a equal to 4. So as a equal to 4, then r equal to 2 by 4, that means half. Now number 3. The first term of the infinite GP is 1. So here a equal to 1. Any term is equal to the sum of all the succeeding terms. Find the GP. So here a equal to 1. Then here a n is equal to a n plus 1 plus a n plus 2 plus a n plus 3 dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, so here formula a r to the power n minus 1, a r to the power n, a r to the power n plus 1, a r to the power n plus 2, then dot 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 up to infinity. Then all a will be cancelled out. So r to the power n minus 1, here r to the power n, r to the power n plus 1, r to the power n plus 2, dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, then again here r to the power n will be common, so it becomes 1 plus r, then r square, then dot 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 up to infinity. So as you know that is infinity equal to a by 1 minus r. Okay, so here r to the power n minus 1 equal to r to the power n, then 1 by 1 minus r. Okay, is it clear? Now next one, here you can write down r to the power n minus 1 by r to the power n, that is 1 by 1 minus r. So from that one 1 by r equal to 1 by 1 minus r. So here 1 minus r equal to r, then here r equal to half. Okay, r equal to here half. So hence the required GP will be 1 plus then 1 into 1 by 2, because here a equal to 1, the first terms, and r equal to here r. So here 1 into 1 by 2, then next one here 1 into 1 by 2 square. So in this way here 1 half 1 by 4 plus dot 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 up to infinity as your answer. Now next one, sum number 4. The sum of first two terms of an infinite geometric series is 5. Each term is 3 times the sum of the succeeding terms. Find the series. Okay, as same as the previous one. So I hope you can solve it. So here now let's move on to the next one, sum number 5. Sum number 5, if each term of an infinite GP is twice the sum of all terms following it, then find the ratio of the GP. So here A be the first term, okay, and R be the common ratio. Each term is twice the sum of the all terms. So here you can write down AN is equal to 2 into AN plus 1, then here AN plus 2 then dot 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 to the infinite terms. Okay, so here a r to the power n minus 1, then 2 into a r to the power n, a r to the power n plus 1 plus dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, then here a will be cancelled out, so you can write down here r to the power n minus 1, that one equal to 2. Okay, 2 into here r to the power n, then r to the power n plus 1 dot 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 up to infinity. So then r to the power n common, so here write down r to the power n minus 1 by r to the power n, here 2, it will be here 1, and next it will be here r, then dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, so here you can write down it's r equal to 2, then here 1 plus r, then next one r square dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, so that means here you can write down 1 is equal to 2r by 1 minus r. Okay, 1 is equal to 2r by 1 minus r. So that one equal to r equal to 1 by 3 as your answer. Now next one, sum number 6. If the sum of an infinite geometric series is 15, the sum of the square of these terms is 45. Find the series. So here let the series be AR, then AR square, then dot 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 infinite series. Okay, as the sum of the infinite series is 15, so that means here A by 1 minus R, that one equal to 15. Clear? Also, the sum of the square of this term is 45. So that means here a square, then here a square r square, a square r to the power 4 dot 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 infinite terms, that one equal to here 45. Okay, so in that case the sum of the terms will be a square by 1 minus r square, that one equal to 45. So this one here 1, and this one here equation number 2. Now dividing the square of 1 by 2, then you will get here a square by 1 minus r whole square into 1 minus r square by a square, that one equal to 15 square by 45. I repeat, dividing the square of the first one by the second one. So here a square will be cancelled out. It will be here 1 plus r, 1 minus r, that one equal to 5. And from that equation here r equal to 2 by 3. So if r equal to 2 by 3, then a equal to here 5. Okay. So here the series will be 5 plus 10 by 3 plus 20 by 9 plus 40 by 27 plus dot 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 in this way. Now next one, sum number 9. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here evaluate 3 into 3 to the power half into 3 to the power 1 by 4 into 3 to the power 1 by 8 into dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, so as here a is equal to this one, so first let a is equal to this one, so you can write down here 3, then the power will be added, so 1 plus half, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 dot 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 up to infinity. So here 3 to the power, suppose this one here s1. Okay, s1 is the addition of this series, so write down here s1 1, sorry, it's 1 plus half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 dot 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 up to infinity. So a equal to 1, r equal to half, then s1 will be here 1 minus half. Okay, so that one will be here 2, s1 equal to 2. Clear? So a is equal to here 3 to the power 2, that one equal to 9 as your answer.